Okay, so boy, I am going to, no. A part of me wants to do this on Facebook, and another part of me wants to do this on YouTube. I what to do, what to do, what to do. Choices, choices, decisions, decisions. Oh, no, I have to sign in. That's a problem. Because I might not remember my password, you know. Oh Lord. Might not remember the password. All right. They're convincing me to try another way. So the answer is yes. Uh-huh. Yes. So yeah, I'm being distracted again. So, right, I'm pressing yes. 29. Okay. Um, mm, okay. Let's see. Yeah, I'm a bit silent. I'm a bit silent. 'Cause I'm trying to write this password correctly. I've reset the password. All right, so all right, doing that, doing that. All right. Uh, yeah, there we go. All right, let's click on that right there and see if we're live, you know? Are we live and direct? All right. Might be, you know, might be live. All right. Now, let me just go a double check. With that double check real quick. There we go. All right, so there's only one thing left to do, and that is to, all right, see it there now. Now, mind you, just so that I'm not boring, I can always change the wardrobe, you know. I can do that. So yes, ladies and gentlemen, welcome to We Still a Learn. And this is a place where I can help teachers to solve their problem of not only depending on their salary for a living, because we know how that is. You know, one, it's not enough. That's the first thing. And then two, you might work and not get it. So this consider this a martial arts school for teachers. I'm teaching you the self-defense, right? Let me teach you how to defend yourself against those who, you know, refuse to see your worth and your value and all of these things. So this is where we do it. This is where we do it. Not even how we do it, but where. So I am honoring one of my beloved and fallen teachers in the image right there. May God rest her soul. And Them always say you are gone but not forgotten. So she will not be forgotten. She will not be neglected nor forgotten. Yeah. Yeah. Why may I tell you? Sometimes you look on what is going on and you know you have to do a double take sometimes, you know. Okay, there we go. So anyhow, finally we are on this page right now. Finally on the same page. This page right here. We're still